Now let me explain how to fix the issue when auto subtitles aren't working in CapCut on your phone. Follow these steps carefully. Let's begin with the first method. The simplest and most straightforward solution is to simply switch to a different Wi-Fi network or check your connection. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or check if you even have Wi-Fi available. After that, let's go ahead and enter a specific video example. Let's choose a specific video, for instance, this one here, and take a closer look at it. After that, we will proceed to access the settings carefully. Now, if the video is in English, as you can see here, you should select the English language option. If your video is in another language, choose accordingly. If your video is in another language, you should select the language that corresponds to your video. After that, you must proceed to the next step carefully. Check if your video has audio so that the auto subtitles can accurately match the spoken words. This is an essential step to ensure functionality. Now, based on your words, consider these 4 important steps. Additionally, you might want to try restarting the CapCut app itself for better results. It can help in many situations, as you can see here. Just restart, and that's all. Thank you all for watching this helpful guide. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye for now.